our first annual When I Grow Up Career Expo. It's just a day of exploration for kids to get them excited. There are so many career opportunities, and let's face it, we all ask little kids when they're growing, what are they going to be when they grow up, and how do they know what to even answer us? So this is kind of a day of just giving them the opportunity to talk to a lot of different businesses and a lot of different fields and see what piques their interest.
So today's a really exciting day. We have our teddy bear clinic. So what this does is it helps children learn through play and to be less scared of whenever they go to the doctor's office or the emergency room. So they'll come in, we will triage them, we'll take their weight, we'll take their height, we'll take their vital signs. We have a nice triage sheet here with the pain scales, and then we'll treat them. We have our CAT scan MRI area, x-ray, we'll receive a teddy bear x-ray, and then we have nurses here that will take them through and either split their arm if they broke their arm, give them bandages, so really learning that it's not scary and that we're here to help.
We do have a handful of high school kids working for us, and we do have a bunch of career-oriented people that work for me. They've been working for me for a long time. I've actually taken some kids from college, made them managers, and actually have them open up their own locations so they can be workers to managers to owners. So there's definitely a career and great opportunities in Leeds Hoagie House.
I've grown up my whole entire life in the business, and I actually just took over the store at Leeds Hoagie House of Temple University. So in 22 years, I've been able to achieve my dream through Leeds Hoagie House and have the opportunity to own my own business. And every kid that comes through these halls has the same opportunity as well.
We're just showing them how biomedical research actually benefits our community, and it benefits our animals, and it benefits our society as a whole. We've had an amazing group of students come through, and they've been impressing us with some of the answers that they've been giving us to some of the questions, like our Wheel of Science, our shark flood experiment, our dose response experiment, and just their general interest in a lot of the actual activities that we have going on in our room today.
And everybody that's here has an engaging activity. I look around and I see the kids and the parents are all excited and involved in learning, and exploring. So I think it's been a great day for all that have been here.
We're here to let the kids know how they get cable delivered to the home. We've got a couple of activities. What we've got on the table right here is some of the equipment. We have thousands and thousands of products that allow us to deliver content from the MSOs to the home. So we just wanted to bring a couple of demos that show them first off all the engineering and kind of what happens in the background that allows them to get the content.
With LEGO Robotics, this is just a sample of what you could program. It's very fun and engaging for kids right now. The field of robotics is massive. The potential's infinite. And just by giving kids the opportunity to code and have that little basis of knowledge of a different language, they could do almost anything they wanted.
I hope that they would learn that first off, it's a lot of fun. It's great. You get to work with people. We use a lot of technology now. We've got now a scanner now. There's no need for molds of your teeth anymore. It's all digital. The technology has really come a long way, so it's made it much more comfortable and a lot more fun. So we hope to show the students today, what it's like to have your teeth scanned in, some of the appliances that we use, and they can play around with the teeth and they can play around with the braces and kind of see what it's like to do an adjustment.
So there's a lot of opportunities. There's team building that you learn how to interact and how to speak. I mean, a lot of people don't realize how much speaking is involved when you're just talking with the everyday guests that are coming in. The teamwork is a big one. I mean, you learn how to interact with other people who you've never met before.
Today we have two experiments. One is a acid-base reaction with invisible ink, and the other is a lava lamp, which is more of a solubility type experiment.
Our booth is sponsored by Greater Valley Forge Human Resource Association, and what we decided to do was have a lot of hands-on activities for the little kids to show them it's never too early to start thinking about a career, a job, and in particular networking, how important it is to meet other people and find out about them and learn about a job. We're having the younger kids do My First Resume to start thinking about what they're good at, what they like doing, and communicating that.
The construction industry offers many more positions than what you think of when you just think of construction. You just think of the guys in the field working all day. good old labor method, but the construction industry is so much bigger than that. We have project managers, we have estimators, we have accountants, we have CAD departments. So a lot of the things that we have here are trying to show that it's not just for guys that want to go out, learn a skill, work in the field for the rest of their lives. There's so many more avenues for employment.
Our goal is to provide a good background on what it means to be a teacher and also what it means to become a teacher. We have different ways that we engage students in learning. We have science and technology, all the cool things that teachers get to do besides give direct instruction. I hope that the kids learn that education's a really awesome career with many options.
I didn't want a career fair that was just focused on one level. I wanted it to be from a little child, to one of our seniors in high school and beyond, and opportunities for a family to come together and explore together and see different things.
Personally, I was most impressed with all the STEM activities. There was a lot of interactive activities for all ages. There were teddy bear workshops and urban planners to give kids some exposure in that area.
I was really impressed with all the health exhibits. There was an ultrasound, which I thought was really cool, and they talked about health, the nurses station, and I thought that was just really excellent for kids.
I've seen a lot of the engineering companies, so I've actually turned in an application to one of them, since that's what I'm going to go to college for. I've been talking to a lot of the coding, mechanical, engineering, all the different kinds of engineering companies.
We have seen a big dog, and we saw some other technology, and then we saw you could make your own plant.
And we all start out thinking maybe this is what we want, but until we explore and see what's beyond it, who knows what's behind that door. So I think today we opened a lot of doors for kids to just think about different things. And some of the businesses that are here too are so progressive as far as what's happening in the future. I hope today the kids walk away taking those ideas, and tomorrow they are the innovators of our world. And proud to say they came from Hatboro-Horsham School District.